First time? Don't worry, it's easy. Here are some quick and safe tips for changing diapers. Gather everything before you start. A new diaper, wet wipes or a wet cloth, protective skin cream, a clean cloth. Never leave your baby alone. Change diapers regularly, about every 3 to 4 hours, or after feeding, to prevent diaper rash. Place a clean diaper under the baby. Remove the dirty diaper to avoid a mess. For boys, quickly cover with a wipe so they don't pee during the diaper change. For girls, wipe from front to back. Dry the area with a clean cloth, or let it air dry for a minute. Then put on a new diaper. Apply protective cream if needed. If a rash appears, change the diaper more often. Use warm water wipes, or a soft cloth instead of harsh wipes. Give the baby some diaper-free time to air out their skin. If signs of a skin infection appear, call your pediatrician. Simple steps, great comfort for you and your baby.